This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the Nextion model and ensuring the display accepts 5 volts. This prevents damage. Once done, prepare your Arduino, a USB TTL adapter or jumper wires, a stable 5V supply, and an empty micro SD if using local files. Make the first hardware connections now. Tie grounds together, then wire Nextion TX to Arduino RX and Nextion RX to Arduino TX. Make sure the Nextion is in programmer mode, so you can upload the HMI file next. Next, create your interface in Nextion Editor, lay out pages, components, and give ID. Test interactions in the simulator so logic matches expectations. Once ready, export the TFT and upload it using either the micro SD method or the editor's upload via USB TTL. Always power cycle the display after flashing to apply changes. Meanwhile, configure Arduino's serial port to match the Nextion baud rate, and code robust read/write routines that parse incoming events and send commands with end markers. To finish, integrate page change commands and event parsing in your sketch, and add simple acknowledge/timeout logic so you can detect lost commands. After wiring and code are complete, validate operation by commanding UI elements from Arduino and observing responses. If something fails, measure voltages and confirm TX/RX wiring and matching baud rates first. For one key troubleshooting tip, monitor the raw serial traffic with the Arduino serial monitor or a logic analyzer. Seeing bytes will reveal whether the fault is electrical or a protocol mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.